Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where performance meets passion. Today, we're diving into the future literally with the all-new 2026 BMW M3. Buckle up, because the legend has evolved, and it's more aggressive, more refined, and more technologically advanced than ever before. Let's start with the design. BMW hasn't held back. The 2026 M3 carries forward the bold styling cues introduced in recent years but sharpens them with cleaner lines, more sculpted aerodynamics, and a redesigned kidney grille that's finally winning over skeptics. With wider fenders, a reworked rear diffuser, and sleek laser headlights, this car doesn't just look fast, it looks ready to take on anything in its path. Under the hood, the M3 stays true to its roots with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, but now it's been tuned to push out a staggering 540 horsepower in the competition xDrive variant. That's right, a 540 horses, and thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system, launch control, and lightning-quick 8-speed automatic, the M3 rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds. Rear-wheel drive purists can still breathe easy, as BMW continues to offer the standard M3 with a manual transmission and RWD configuration, delivering an analog driving feel in an increasingly digital world. Inside, the tech gets a serious upgrade. The 2026 M3 features BMW's latest xDrive 9 infotainment system, stretched across a massive curved display that combines the instrument cluster and center screen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the system responds faster, looks cleaner, and even includes over-the-air performance updates. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, with carbon fiber accents, M-specific bucket seats, and customizable ambient lighting that makes every drive feel like an event. BMW has also reworked the chassis and suspension, fine-tuning everything from the steering rack to the adaptive dampers. The result, a car that feels even more connected on twisty back roads, while still maintaining that everyday livability the M3 has always balanced so well. Whether you're carving canyons or commuting in traffic, the 2026 M3 adapts to your mood with precision and poise. For those chasing the bleeding edge, BMW is also teasing an M3 CS version on the horizon, lighter, louder, and even quicker. But even in its current form, the standard M3 feels like it's walking the line between race car and luxury sports sedan better than ever before. So what's the verdict? The 2026 BMW M3 isn't just an evolution, it's a statement. A reminder that performance can coexist with practicality, and that tradition and innovation don't have to be at odds. BMW has taken everything enthusiasts loved about the M3 and made it sharper, smarter, and undeniably faster. Thanks for riding with us on Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more epic car content, and let us know in the comments, would you choose the manual RWD or go full throttle with the xDrive competition? Until next time, stay legendary.